Snoring ruining your quality of sleep? Well, here are 3 reasons why the Soothie anti-snoring device can have you sleeping like a baby within 1 night of trying it. Reason 1, it opens your airway for better breathing. Now, instead of fighting for air in your sleep, the Soothie keeps your airways open by gently shifting your jaw forward, making it easier to breathe, which means no more snoring. Reason 2, its compact design fits comfortably in your mouth. The Soothie is designed to be soft, easy to wear, and barely noticeable, helping you fall right to sleep. And with 2 sizes to choose from, you'll find the perfect fit. Reason 3, you'll wake up feeling rested. With less snoring, you get deeper, more restful sleep. Since using the Soothie, I've been waking up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. So what are you waiting for? Grab your Soothie today and start sleeping better.